तजं तरिता तदिमित किटतक तगत तदिगिण त्वं तारितजं 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 तजं तरिता तदिमित किटतक तगत तदिगिण त्वं तजं तकजं तकिटजं तकिटकिटजं तगत तदिगिण त्वं तजं तकजं तकिटजं तकिटकिटजं तगत तदिगिण त्वं धरित धन धन धनद जुणु 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 तदिमि दिमि दिमि तकिटतक तरित गदिमि धरि धन जणुत तिमि गदिमि तरिता तदणता तजणुता तदिगिणतो 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 तदरिता तदणता तजणुता तदिगिणतो 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 तदरिता तदणता तजणुता तदिगिणतो 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 तारिदजं तजं तदिता तदिमित कीटतक तक 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 तदिगिणतो तारिदजं तजं तरिता
What can be the best way than to start tonight's journey with the blessing of Ma Saraswati? The song was choreographed by Shampunna. Good evening and a very warm reception to those present in the auditorium. Tonight we have assembled to celebrate the 20th annual day of Kidzi Shokher Bajar. Tonight's journey would remain memorable in your life. But prior to that, I hereby take the opportunity to introduce the pillar of Kidzi Shokher Bajar. She is the strength behind us all. She is the shade under whom we flourish. She is a mother figure to all our little ones. I would request the teachers of Kidzi Shokher Bajar and our coordinator, ma'am, Mrs. Jayashree Anand, to please join me on stage. The teachers of Kidzi Shokher Bajar, please, I request you to join me on stage. Mrs. Jayashree Anand. Ladies and gentlemen, with a great round of applause, please welcome our dear principal, ma'am, Mrs. Joya Roy. I would request ma'am to share a few words with us.
Good evening, everyone present tonight. It has been a long journey of 20 years with so many fond memories. Tonight, my mind travels down the memory lane to way back in the year 2005, when I just came from Mumbai and I was looking for a good branded preschool for my 2+ year daughter. The most important thought that comes into a parent's mind is to provide the best quality education for his or her child. But to my utter disappointment, I could not find a good branded preschool in our locality at that time. With the intention of providing the best education to my daughter, I decided to open a preschool which would pave the way for the best overall development of a child. The initiative that I took 20 years back stands as Kidzi Shokher Bajar. Over the years, it has provided me with the opportunity of nurturing these little flowers, the best gift from Almighty. The standard of Kidzi Shokher Bajar has earned numerous awards in every aspect, and the credit goes to the patience and hard work done by all the teaching and the non-teaching staff. There have been many difficult phases in my life during this long tenure, the biggest being the loss of my husband, who had always been a strong pillar of support for me. But my school and my daughters have always kept me strong and motivated me to live every day. My dearest parents have been always very supportive and enthusiastic, and I convey my heartfelt gratitude to all of you. Thank you for being there in my journey. As the little ones are all waiting backstage, and you all might be very excited to see them perform, without a further delay, let's sit back and enjoy the program. Thank you.
বহুরূপের সম্মুখে তোমার ছাড়ি কোথা খুঁজিছ ঈশ্বর, জীবে প্রেম করে যেই জন সেই জন সেবিছে ঈশ্বর. The famous quotation of a famous identity makes our day even more special. Today is the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Being born as Narendranath Datta, he acquired immense knowledge and enlightened as Swamiji. He showed the true path of devotion in every phase of his life, thus making his life a lesson for us to follow. Those who serve others serve the Lord in true sense. Swami Vivekananda lives within our conscience and will remain immortal. We bow down to him in gratitude. We come across innumerable words each day, some from our known vocabulary and some from unknown conversation. We are somewhat aware of the meaning, but do we indeed realize it? Perhaps not. We do not even feel the necessity to plunge deep into the meaning of the words we use. One such word is devotion. It is a feeling of love and loyalty towards someone or something, a commitment to a purpose. We relate this word with Almighty. Devotion takes birth in every caste, every religion, and lives within our breath. Tonight, let us all indulge ourselves and live in the true sense of devotion. The son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati, Ganesha, is the god of wisdom, success, and good luck. He is Vignaharta, or the remover of obstacles. He is Gananayak, the lord of all Ganas. Many stories have been associated with the deity which portrays Ganesha as the epitome of intelligence. One day, an argument occurred between Lord Kartikeya, the elder brother of Ganesh, and the deity himself, claiming that the one who would encircle the universe 7 times would be considered strongest. Kartikeya at once mounted his peacock and flew away. Ganesha, being the epitome of intelligence, declared that the entire universe succumbs in the parents, and thus, encircling Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati, he completed the vow. The little ones are prepared to take you to Kailash. The act by KG is directed by Mrs. Reshmi Dotto and Mrs. Sarika Borua.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय
let us welcome the little ones of Nursery Morning. The song is choreographed by Mrs. Preetha Das, Mrs. Madhumita Roy, Mrs. Rumpa Sinha, and Mrs. Shoma Pandit.
ज्वाला सी चलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है, परवाह ही क्या उसका रंग कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है। धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे, डर भी उससे डरा रे, जिसकी रखवाली यारे करता सारा तेरा। हे देवा श्री गणेश, 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 देवा श्री गणेश। तेरी भक्ति तो वरदान है, जो कमाए वो धनवान है। दिन किनारे की कश्ती है वो, देवा तुझसे जो अनजान है। यूं तो मूषक सवारी तेरी, सब है पहरेदारी तेरी। पाप की आंधियां नाक हो, कभी ज्योति ना हारी तेरी। अपनी तकदीर का वो खुद सिकंदर हुआ रे, भूल के ये जहां रे, जिसकी सीने यहाँ रे साथ पाया तेरा। हे देवा श्री गणेश, 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 देवा श्री गणेश।
Sufism is a mystical branch of Islam that focuses on spirituality, purification, and ritualism. Sufis are devout Muslims who adhere to the outward observances of Islam, but they also nurture their own and other spiritual dimensions. Our little ones are ready to spread the essence. The act of KG is directed by Mrs. Reshmi Dotto and Mrs. Sarika Borua.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. حي على الصلاة. حي على الصلاة. حي على الفلاح.
us welcome the little ones of nursery morning. The song is choreographed by Mrs. Preetha Das, Mrs. Madhumita Roy, Mrs. Rumpa Sinha, Mrs. Shoma Pandit.
शाहू का शादू अली का दुलारा ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा दिल में समा जा शाहू का शादू अली का दुलारा दरबार में ख्वाजा सर झुकाते हैं औलिया तू है रुतबा है प्यारा चाहने से तुझको ख्वाजा जी मुस्तफा को पाया ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा 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 दिल में समा जा ख्वाजा समा जा शाहू का शाहू अली का दुलारा जो मुझ में समाया वो जो तुझ में समाया मौला वही वही माया वो जो मुझ में समाया वो जो तुझ में समाया मौला वही वही माया कुन फायकुन सदक़ल्लाहुल अलीयुल अज़ीम।
Hanuman is a symbol of strength, devotion, and perseverance. He is a key figure in the epic Ramayana, where he helps Lord Ram rescue his wife Devi Sita from the demon king Ravan. He is a devoted follower of Sri Ram, and he has projected his devotion by tearing his chest and showing the picture of Sri Ram and Devi Sita in his body. This devotion serves as a lesson in our life. The little ones have brought Hanumanji's blessings for you all. The KG act is directed by Mrs. Reshmi Dotto.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहुँ लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी
welcome the little ones of Nursery Day. The song is choreographed by Mrs. Preetha Das, Mrs. Madhumita Roy, Mrs. Rumpa Sinha, Mrs. Shoma Pandit.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारी बरनौ रघुबर विमल जसु जोदायक फलचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेस विकार।
ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती गुलोक उजागर जय मान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती गुलोक उजागर भूत अतुलित बल धामा पुत्र पवन सुत नामा वीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संग जय मान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती गुलोक उजागर जय मान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती गुलोक उजागर वरन विराज सुबेसा कुंडल कुंचित केसा वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे मान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती गुलोक उजागर जय मान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती गुलोक उजागर जय।
शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित सुनबे को रसिया प्रभु चरित सुनबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता वन बसिया।
रूप धरि सिंह दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा रूप धरि असुर सहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे मान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती गुलोक उजागर जय मान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती गुलोक उजागर जय।
Pongal is a 4-day harvest festival celebrated in South India, especially in Tamil Nadu. Pongal provides with the opportunity to express gratitude to the sun god Surya for a good harvest. Pongal symbolizes humankind's love for nature and nature's love for humankind. Our little ones are here to give you a glimpse of the festival. The act by KG is directed by Mrs. Reshmi Dotto and Mrs. Sarika Borua.
ॐ जवा कुसुमसङ्काशं काश्यपेयं महाधुतिं ध्वन्तारिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतहस्मि दिवाकरम् दधिशङ्खतुषाराभं क्षीरार्णवसमुद्भवम् नमामि शशिनं भक्त्या शम्भोर्मुकुटभूषणम् धरणिगर्भसम्भूतं विद्वत्पुञ्जसमप्रभम् कुमारं शक्तिहस्तं च लोहिताङ्गं नमाम्यहम् प्रियङ्गुकलिकाश्यामं रूपेण प्रतिमं बुधम् सौम्यं सर्वगुणोपेतं तं बुधं प्रणमाम्यहम् देवतानां ऋषीणां च गुरुं कनकसन्निभम् वन्द्यभूतं त्रिलोकेशं तं नमामि बृहस्पतिम् हिमकुन्दमृणालाभं दैत्यानं परमं गुरुं सर्वशास्त्रप्रवक्तारं भार्गवं प्रणमाम्यहम् नीलाञ्जनसमहासं रविपुत्रं यमाग्रजम् छायाया गर्भसम्भूतं तं नमामि शनैश्चरम् अर्धकायं महाघोरं विमर्दकम् सिंहिकायाः सुतं रौद्रं तं राहुं प्रणमाम्यहम् पलालधूमसङ्काशं तारग्रहविमर्दकम् रौद्रं रौद्रात्मकं क्रूरं तं केतुं प्रणमाम्यहम्.
Let us welcome the little ones of nursery morning. The song is choreographed by Mrs. Preetha Das, Mrs. Madhumita Roy, Mrs. Rumpa Sinha, Mrs. Shoma Pandit. Navaratri is an annual Hindu festival observed in honor of Goddess Durga, an aspect of Adi Parashakti, the supreme goddess. The festival spans for 9 days and various forms of Ma Adi Shakti or Parvati is worshipped every day. Our little ones stand prepared to shower Mother's blessings on us. The act by KG is directed by Mrs. Reshmi Dotto. Born as the daughter of Himalaya, Shailaputri is the very first form of the Divine Mother. Hard penance to be the wife of Lord Mahadev compelled Parvati to take the form of Brahmacharini. The nuptial ties with Lord Mahadev granted Ma Parvati to accept and adorn her beautiful hair with Chandra or moon, thus achieving the name of Chandraghanta. Creationless universe compelled the Divine Mother to take the form of Kushmanda and spread her energy to create life. The energy of Goddess Parvati and Lord Mahadev merged to create alive their elder son Kartikeya. Being the mother of Kartikeya, ornamented her with the name of Skandamata. The evil demon Mahishasur created terror on earth, claiming himself to be the Lord of the universe. Parvati, in the form of Katyayani, killed Mahishasur and brought peace on earth. We worship her as Mahishasur Mardini or Ma Durga. The demonish activities of Shumbho and Nishumbho enraged Ma Parvati to take the form of Kalratri. The fierce form changed mother's complexion to extreme dark. The dark complexion of Ma Parvati was humorously complimented by Lord Mahadev, but was sentimentally taken by Ma Parvati. She indulged in hard penance to revive her fair complexion and emerged as Mahagauri. The 9 divine forms of Ma Parvati worshipped during Navratri blesses our life with happiness and prosperity. Let us welcome the little ones of Nursery Day. The song is choreographed by Mrs. Preetha Das, Mrs. Madhumita, Mrs. Rumpa Sinha, Mrs. Shoma Pandit.
अम्बे तू है जगदम्बे काली, जय दुर्गे खप्पर वाली, तेरे ही गुण गाए भारती। ओ मैया हम सब उतारे तेरी आरती।
अम्बे तू है जगदम्बे काली, जय दुर्गे खप्पर वाली, तेरे ही गुण गाए भारती। ओ मैया हम सब उतारे तेरी आरती।
तेरे भक्त जनों पे माता भीड़ पड़ी है भारी,
भीड़ पड़ी है भारी,
दानव दल पर टूट पड़ो माँ करके सिंह सवारी।
करके सिंह सवारी।
तेरे भक्त जनों पे माता भीड़ पड़ी है भारी,
भीड़ पड़ी है भारी,
दानव दल पर टूट पड़ो माँ करके सिंह सवारी।
करके सिंह सवारी।
सो सिंहों से भी बलशाली है 10 भुजाओं वाली, दुखियों के दुखड़े निवारती। ओ मैया हम सब उतारे तेरी आरती।
अम्बे तू है जगदम्बे काली, जय दुर्गे खप्पर वाली, तेरे ही गुण गाए भारती। ओ मैया हम सब उतारे तेरी आरती।
माँ बेटे का है इस जग में बड़ा ही निर्मल नाता,
बड़ा ही निर्मल नाता,
भूत कपूत सुने हैं पर ना माता सुनी तु माता।
माता सुनी तु माता।
माँ बेटे का है इस जग में बड़ा ही निर्मल नाता,
बड़ा ही निर्मल नाता,
भूत कपूत सुने हैं पर ना माता सुनी तु माता।
माता सुनी तु माता।
सबसे करुणा दर्शाने वाली, अमृत बरसाने वाली, दुखियों के दुखड़े निवारती। ओ मैया हम सब उतारे तेरी आरती।
अम्बे तू है जगदम्बे काली, जय दुर्गे खप्पर वाली, तेरे ही गुण गाए भारती। ओ मैया हम सब उतारे तेरी आरती।
Born in Bethlehem, Jesus Christ is considered to be the Son of the Almighty. His arrival on earth was for the welfare of mankind. Our next performance will spread the essence of Jesus. The song is choreographed by by Shampurna.
मेरे बन मेरी सुना अब तो पुकारे सुना प्रभु सुना पुकारे प्रभु सुना पुकारे
भज मन मेरे सुना मन तो पुकारे सुना प्रभु सुना पुकारे प्रभु सुना पुकारे भज मन मेरे सुना मन तो पुकारे सुना प्रभु सुना पुकारे प्रभु सुना पुकारे प्रभु सुना पुकारे प्रभु सुना पुकारे प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे यीशु नाम प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे यीशु नाम भज मन मेरे सुना मन तो पुकारे सुना प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे 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 प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे
It is time for me to call upon our principal ma'am once again. Please welcome our principal ma'am, Mrs. Joya Roy.
সবাই আগে বলুন কেমন লাগছে ফাংশন সবাই এনজয় করছেন তো বাচ্চাদের এনকারেজমেন্টই দরকার আর এটা প্রথম প্ল্যাটফর্ম দিস ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট প্ল্যাটফর্ম ফ্রম ওয়ে দে আর স্টার্টিং দেয়ার জার্নি এরপরে তো কত কিছু আছে এই প্রথমটা যেন মেমোরেবল হয়ে যায় সেটাই আমাদের সবার প্রচেষ্টা আমাদেরও এবং আপনাদেরও সো টুডে এই যে আজকে যে ফাংশনটা হচ্ছে বা প্রত্যেক দিনেরই আমাদের টিচার্সদের কিন্তু প্রচণ্ড একটা অবদান আছে সো টুডে আই ওয়ান্ট টু acknowledge my teachers for their hard work and dedication.
With 12 years of dedicated experience as any early childhood educator, she has mastered the art of nurturing young minds in their formative years. Her gentle and caring nature forms the foundation of her teaching philosophy, fostering an environment where children feel safe, valued, and encouraged to explore their potential. I hereby welcome Mrs. Preetha Das. I welcome my next teammate who joined in 2011. She believes that every child is unique, requiring individual attention to meet their specific developmental needs, whether addressing a child's challenges or celebrating their milestones. She tailors her approach to ensure that each child thrives. This personalized care extends to the parents as well, as she patiently listens to their queries and concerns, offering thoughtful guidance and support. I welcome Mrs. Madhumita Roy. The most experienced teacher in our play school, she has been an integral part of our institution since 2008. Her talents as an educator go beyond classroom instructions. She has an exceptional ability to recognize and nurture the hidden potential in every child, bringing out their unique talents and strengths. Whether it's through creative activities, interactive learning, or simply encouraging their natural curiosity, she ensures each child feels confident and valued. I welcome Mrs. Reshmi Dotto. She transforms ordinary lessons into captivating experiences. Through the use of colorful visuals, imaginative crafts, and hands-on activities, children are drawn into the world of exploration and wonder. She has the ability to integrate crafts, storytelling, and artistic expression, helps children grasp abstract concepts in a concrete and memorable way. I welcome Mrs. Tonushri Debnath Ghosh. Despite having years of experience in other preschools, this felicitator joined our school after the challenges of COVID-19. The transition to a new environment could have been daunting, yet her adaptability quickly became apparent. She embraced the new environment and took the opportunity to learn new methods and strategies which made her more capable and resourceful teacher. I welcome Mrs. Abrajita Bhattacharya. Every great educator has a story, and hers is one of transformation and deep connection. She began her journey as a loving kidsy parent. Now, she joins our team as the newest member, bringing with her not just the experience of a parent, but the empathy, patience, and passion that come with it. I welcome Mrs. Sarika Borua. Transitioning from a trainee to a teacher is a proud milestone as it reflects growth, dedication, and the trust placed by the school. Having completed early childhood training from our preschool, this felicitator is already familiar with the environment, values, and teaching methodologies. I welcome Mrs. Shoma Pandit. Our next felicitator brings with her a wealth of diverse experience in early childhood education, making her a valuable addition to our school. Her caring and nurturing approach towards children creates a warm and supportive environment, ensuring each child feels valued and understood. I welcome Mrs. Rumpa Sinha. In our school, there is one individual who stands out as the go-to person for everyone, especially parents. She is a pillar of support to ensure smooth communication between parents and the school management. Whether it's resolving issues, answering queries, or offering reassurances, she is always approachable and ready to assist. Her ability to listen patiently makes the parents feel valued and heard because of her dedication and professionalism. I welcome Mrs. Jayashree Ramananand. I have the pleasure in welcoming a person who has an immense hidden talent. His immense hard work for days and even nights has made this program so bright and colorful. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Uttam Sharma, who teaches art and craft to students in our school for the past 20 years. Uttam sir is having diploma in fine arts from Indian Art College and Academy of Creative Art. Shampurna is a Mohiniyattam exponent. She has completed her masters in dance from Rabindra Bharati University. As a member of Natya Nova Performing Arts Center dance repertoire, she has performed in prestigious dance shows in front of dignitaries. She has performed across India and also in Moscow and Vladivostok for the India Day celebration on August 15th, 2024 in front of the Indian diaspora and Indian ambassador to Russia. Last but not the least, she has been associated with our school for the past 10 years. I welcome Shampurna.
So, last but not the least at all, she is the voice of today's program. In 2010, she joined up this school with the intention of shaping young minds. With an excellent command of the English language, she understood the importance of language proficiency in early childhood education. By focusing on building a strong foundation in early years, she ensured that her students were not only able to grasp the fundamentals of English, but also develop critical thinking and communication skills. This early exposure helped children express themselves effectively, listen attentively, and engage in meaningful conversations. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Malancha Dutt.
আশ্বিরের শারদ প্রাতে বেজে উঠেছে আলোকমঞ্জিত ধরণীর বহিরাকাশে অন্তরিত মেঘমালা প্রকৃতির অন্তরাকাশে জাগরিত জ্যোতির্ময়ী জগন্মাতার আগমন বার্তা আনন্দময়ী মহামায়ার পদধ্বনি অসীম ছন্দে বেজে উঠে রূপলোক ও রসলোকে আনে নবভাব মাধুরীর সঞ্জীবন তাই আনন্দিতা শ্যামণী মাতৃকার চিন্ময়ীকে মৃন্ময়ীতে আবাহন।
The magical voice of Sri Birendra Krishna Bhadra has always awakened numerous sleeping souls on an auspicious day. The arrival of that day fills our life with joy, pleasure, happiness, and blessings. Souls unite and unanimously voice out, Maaschen. Aptly said, Mahalaya is the beginning of a joyous celebration of our life. Ma Durga, our own girl Uma, arrives on earth. Her paternal house, we welcome her with open arms. Our little ones always pour their heart out with immense happiness, saying, Jano, amar kota jama hoyeche? Thakur dekhte jabo to. They are not aware of the concept of the celebration. Kidzi Shokher Bazaar has always taken initiative to inculcate the values of life in the minds of the blooming flowers. We want our future generation to be aware of the rich culture they are rooted with and know their celebrations aptly and to have the courage to stand against evil. Today's presentation of the KG classes is one such initiative taken, and authentically speaking, our little ones are prepared to teleport you to the mythological world. The drama is conceptualized by Mrs. Reshmi Dotto and scripted by Mrs. Malunchu Dotto. The dances are choreographed by Mrs. Reshmi Dotto and Mrs. Sarika Borua. The drama is assisted by Mrs. Obrojita Bhattacharya. The beautiful costumes adorned by our children requires a special thanks for Mr. Sanjay Bhola, and the beautiful stage decoration requires a special thanks for Mr. Uttam Sharma. And a very special thank to a young lady whom we have seen growing up. She has taken time from her busy life and has designed the beautiful banner. She has also arranged the music. Thank you so much, Ishanika. Thank you, beta. She is the eldest daughter of our principal, ma'am. Special thanks to Shankarda and Shamolda who helped with the props, and all the supporting staffs. Thank you, who are attached with the entire program. So please indulge yourself in the pious aura and stay blessed by the divinity.
জয় দুর্গা দুর্গতি হারি জয় দুর্গা দুর্গতি নাশিনী শিশিরে শিশিরে শারদ আকাশে ভোরের আগমনী শিশিরে শিশিরে শারদ আকাশে ভোরের আগমনী শিউলি ঝরানো দিনানে সেই শিউলি ঝরানো দিনানে সেই চিরদিনের বাণী ভোরের আগমনী শিশিরে শিশিরে শারদ আকাশে ভোরের আগমনী সোনার আলোয় জাগবে পৃথিবী বাজবে আলোর বাঁশি সোনার আলোয় জাগবে পৃথিবী বাজবে আলোর বাঁশি আকাশ পটে মহামায়ার ভুবন দিকে দিকে আজ উঠবে বেজে দিকে দিকে আজ উঠবে বেজে মায়ের পদধ্বনি শিশিরে শিশিরে শারদ আকাশে ভোরের বিশ্ব আজিকে ধ্যানমগ্ন উদ্ভট ওম নমঃ ব্রহ্মদেবায় নমঃ ওম নমঃ ব্রহ্মদেবায় নমঃ ওম নমঃ ব্রহ্মদেবায় নমঃ
O King of Rakshas, open your eyes and see. I am pleased by your penance. Why have you prayed me?
O Lord, I am glad you made my day. I seek for your blessing to secure my way. I am strong and mighty, a ruthless king on land. Grant me immortality, the power in my hand.
Immortality cannot be granted to those with evil will. But I bless you with a boon. No male species of its kind could harm you or kill.
Om Namah Brahmadevaya Namah. Om Namah Brahmadevaya Namah. Om Namah Brahmadevaya Namah. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. The ancient god is surely getting old. What did he just say? He blessed me with immortality in the other way. Ha 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 ha.
On acquiring the desired boon from Lord Brahma, Mahishasur became even more ruthless. He exhibited immense ruthlessness upon the innocent sages and people.
काश्यपेयं महाद्युतिं ध्वन्तारिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतस्मि दिवाकरं दधिशङ्खतुषाराभं क्षीरार्णवसमुद्भवं नमामि शशिनं भक्त्या शम्भोर्मुकुटभूषणम् धरणिगर्भसम्भूतं विद्युत्पुञ्जसमप्रभम् कुमारं शक्तिहस्तं च लोहिताङ्गं नमाम्यहम् प्रियङ्गुकलिकाश्यामं रूपेण प्रतिमं बुधं सौम्यं सर्वगुणोपेतं तं बुधं प्रणमाम्यहम् देवतानां ऋषीणां च गुरुं कनकसन्निभम् वन्द्यभूतं त्रिलोकेशं तं नमामि बृहस्पतिं हिमकुन्दमृणालाभं दैत्यानं परमं गुरुं सर्वशास्त्रप्रवक्तारं भार्गवं प्रणमाम्यहम् नीलाञ्जनसमभासं रविपुत्रं यमाग्रजं छायाया गर्भसम्भूतं तं नमामि शनैश्चरम् अर्धकायं महाघोरं चन्द्रादित्यभिमर्दकं सिंहिकायः सुतं रौद्रं तं राहुं प्रणमाम्यहम् पलालधूमसङ्काशं तारग्रहविमर्दकं रौद्रं रौद्रात्मकं क्रूरं तं केतुं प्रणमाम्यहम्
The sages convocated the gods and urged for protection. Gods, with their divine power, crushed upon the demon king, but was defeated. The gods fled to their higher authority, and the heavenly abode became the residence of Mahishasur, and the air got filled with devilish rejoice.
काला क्या सफेद क्या कि दोनों में है भेद क्या ये खाम खाना सबकी भूल है ये भले बुरे में फर्क क्या है स्वर्ग क्या है नर्क क्या ये पाप पुण्य सब फिजूल है क्या खोया क्या पाया जाने दे माया है सब माया जाने दे धर्म क्या ये मन दुकान समझा
Oh Lord, oh Mahadev, we seek for shelter. Please keep us safe. We are painfully crushed by the ruthless demon. We wander homeless and he rules on heaven.
The boon has produced a devilish desire. That wretched demon has set the earth on fire. The only way to save our life is that this demon should die.
But the boon is strong, O Mahadev. Mahishasur is immortal. He is safe.
The boon says, no man can kill. That does not make him immortal still. There is a power more strong on land. We all will create with our hand. Powers combined, weapons studded, divinity in her female form. To crush the demon and slay him down, Adi Shakti will be born. All the gods combined their powers and energies to create a divine female form. The figure stood with 10 hands, glowing with beauty, elegance, and power.
आज चिच्छक्ति रूपिणी विश्वजननी शारद श्री विमंडिता प्रतिभा मंदिरे मंदिरे ध्यान बोधिता.
Ornamented with divine weapons, Goddess Durga was prepared to storm upon the demon king. Greetings, my haters. I am aware of my being. I will storm upon the devil and bring death for the demon king. The news of the arrival of a beautiful woman ornamented with weapons spread like fire. Mahishasur roared with laughter.
Ha 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 ha. Yeah. What a news to hear. The defeated and cowardly gods have sent a lady for me to fear. Chikur, Chamar, Mohahanu, Biralakho, come my generals, mighty and strong. Let us see this beauty and crush her in the battlefield and perform our demon's duty. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Bring her to me. Bring her to me. Bring her to me.
Open your eyes and see. I am created for thee. I have come to give you death. I am the destiny of your fate.
You are a woman, a weak thing on land. You speak of taking my life. I am Mahishasur, the Lord of Lords. Come, be my wife.
I laugh at your ignorance, devil. You know not what you say. Come, face my wrath and meet your end today.
नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते भुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कल्मषमोषिणि घोषरते तनुजनिरोषिणि दिविसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय जप्य जये जय शब्दपरस्तुति तत्पर विश्वनुते भण भण भिञ्जिमि भृङ्कृतनूपुरसिञ्चित मोहित भूतपते नटित नटार्धनटी नटनायक नाटित नाट्य सुगानरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते नन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
On the 9th day of destructive war, Ma Durga killed the demon king with her trident, thus bringing peace on land. The image of Ma Durga slaying the demon Mahishasur is worshipped on earth. She is our divine mother. She is our own girl Uma who comes to our house. She is the epitome of divinity, triumphing over evil. We bow down to her for blessing.
আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে এইলো গিরি শোনলো খবর এইলো গিরি শোনলো খবর কইলো নারদ মুনিতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে পথের পাশে তোলে কাশের ফুল হইল বাতাস শিউলি ফুলের গন্ধেতে আকুল ঘুরির আসে পথের পাশে তোলে কাশের ফুল হইল বাতাস শিউলি ফুলের গন্ধেতে আকুল ফুলের বরণ গৌরী আসে আশার চুরি গাড়িতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার বাড়িতে এইলো গিরি শোনলো খবর কইলো নারদ মুনিতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে যাই দেখিতে প্রাণ লো রইলো মা বাড়িতে